two. That's the best smile I've ever seen, Mr. Bond.
The Business Academy is an incredible program on our campus. Our students have the opportunity to put on different businesses, learn about business plans, and really understand about money and finance. One of the best things about the credit union at school, I actually have two parts. The first is the students. The students have the opportunity to work in a real-world setting and actually have project-based learning right here at the school.
This is our first student-run branch. We are looking for other opportunities, but we really want to make this successful. So our attention is with this school.
This endeavor, this partnership strikes a chord with me because all throughout my college career, I worked at a bank. And when I was finished with college, I was promoted to accountant with Nations Bank. So this was all prior to starting my education career.
I feel like I've left out that you like.
I think that's something that the school.
But I'm really very proud of this partnership for a number of reasons. The practical experience that our students are going to get from this, financial literacy lessons that they will learn is quite important. So thank you for this. Thank you to the Chamber and everybody who had a part to play in this. Thank you.
Thank you.